Hello everyone. Uh, Thank you for joining today in this presentation. We will learn about the two main components of every computer system, hardware and software. By understanding both, we can better appreciate how computers work and support our daily activity. Okay, for page 1, Tech Essential, Discovering Computer Hardware, compiled by Markus Dewantoro, student ID 192400021. Introduction. Definition. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system. These are the parts you can see and touch, such as the monitor, keyboard, and internal component like the CPU and motherboard. Hardware versus software. Hardware is the physical part of the computer, and software is the set of interaction or program that tell the hardware what to do. Why learn about hardware? That's right, helps you understand how computer work, etc. Main categories of hardware. Number 1, input device. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and webcam. An input device that allow users to enter data or comment into a computer. Number 2, output device. Output device that allow the computer to communicate result or information to the user. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. Number 3, processing device. For example, CPU, GPU, motherboard, and RAM. These are the thinking part of the computer that process data and perform calculation. And number 4, storage device. For example, hard disk, SSD, USB flash drive, and optical disc, CD or DVD. Next, number 5, communication device. For example, network interface, card or NIC, Wi-Fi adapter, modem, and router. Hardware that enable a computer to connect to network or other device. For summary, each category plays an important role in how a computer functions. Understanding this group helps us better analyze, use, and maintain computer system. For input device, common input device. Number 1, keyboard. Used to type text and commands, include letters, numbers, and function keys. 2, mouse. Used to point, click, and drag object on the screen. Often include left click, right click, and scroll wheel. Scanner. Scanner convert physical document or image into digital format. Used for copying or storing paper content electronically. Microphone. Microphone is a function capture audio input, voice or sound, used in voice command, video calls, and audio recording. Number 5, webcam. Capture video input, commonly used for video conferencing and online meetings. Other example, touchscreen, joystick, stylus pen, game controller, and barcode scanner. Output device. For output device, there are monitor. For example, a monitor is a displays text, image, video, and user interface. Next, printer. Products a physical hard copy version of digital document or image. Projector. Projector projects visual output onto a wall or screen. And speaker output audio, music, sound effect, voice from the computer. Next page. We know processing device. There are CPU. CPU known as the brain of the computer. And GPU, specials for rendering image, video, and animation. Motherboard, main circuit board, connecting all components. RAM, temporary memory, used for currently running text. Storage device. There are HDD, HDD, it's hard disk, traditional storage device with spinning magnetic disk. SSD, solid state disk, uses flash memory, no moving parts. USB flash drive, like portable storage device, CD or DVD. Compact disk, read using laser technology. Communication device, there are an IC, allows a computer to connect to wired network or LAN. Wi-Fi adapter enables wireless internet access. Modem convert digital signal to analog for internet connection via telephone lines. And router function is distribute internet connection to multiple devices. For summary, in this presentation, we explore the basic category of computer hardware and their function. Understanding this component help us use, maintain, and troubleshoot computer more effectively. Knowing the basic hardware component is essential for anyone working with computer, whether you are a student, technician, or everyday use. It's the foundation of all computer knowledge. Now, we study about system software and operating system. Know your system, software and operating system fundamental. Definition, software. Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. For analogy, unlike hardware, software is not physical. It runs on the hardware. Type of software. System software, operating system, for example, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, device driver, and utilities. Application software, for example, Microsoft Word, Google, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, and programming software, for example, code editors, compilers, and debuggers. Next, what is an operating system, OS? An operating system is system software that acts as bridge between the user and the hardware. It manages all the resources of the computer. Function of an operating system. And number one, user interface or UI allows interaction with the computer. GUI or CLI. Number two, process management controls running application and processes. Number three, file management organize and manage data in storage. Number four, memory management allocated RAM to programs efficiently. For next function of an operating system, device management manage input or output device. For security, protects data and control access. Type of operating system. For there are desktop. Desktop, for example, is Windows, Mac OS, Linux. For mobile OS, Android, iOS, and server OS, for example, Windows Server and Ubuntu Server. Number four, embedded OS, used in smart TVs, washing machine, and ATM. For summary, software and operating system. Software is non-physical, but essential to make hardware work. There are different types of software, include system, application, and programming software. The operating system, OS, is the most important system software. It controls the whole computer. Knowing OS type helps users choose the right tool for their needs. And in summary, hardware is what you can touch, and software is what makes it work. Together, they create the powerful machine we use every day. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation was helpful and informative. Feel free to ask any question, and thank you.